of Chartered Accountants of Pakistan that is home to more than 10,000 chartered accountants. And to make it home and facilitate these chartered accountants, the leadership of ICAP has put into action Members Area. Let's have a look. Members Area is a concept that has evolved to provide members with a creative and tech-savvy area where they can take a break from their routines. Also, the leadership is well cognizant of the significance of sustainable grooming and future fitness of its members. And for the same, they have developed this future-led space for the future leaders of the finance world. Right behind me is the entrance of Members Area. One major thing that has caught my attention over here is the high security assurance that has been provided. We have this built-in biometric system which ensures that only members and authorized persons can access him. So let's try to access him. To begin with, the first spot is this huge members lounge which has been structured in view of the need for chartered accountants to socialize and network in today's time. For this, we have this super comfortable and cozy sitting area on one side, and right in front of it is this huge screen to ensure enhanced member experience. Also, one major value addition in this area is a dedicated refreshment area. This is our dedicated refreshment area over here where you can enjoy food, beverages, snacks. Previously, we used to have very limited options for refreshment, but now we have this dedicated area and I'm super glad about this. As you step out of Members Lounge, right in front of you is Members Library. So let's have a look at Members Library. If you're someone who is looking for an entire finance database and a knowledge hub, then this is your spot. Because over here we have this entire finance literature. Not only that, we have comfortable chairs, tables for you to use this finance literature for your purpose. Also, if you're someone who likes to reel in soft knowledge and is a tech-savvy person, then we have covered you on that aspect as well through this digital library, where we have laptops, and in these laptops, we have access to an extensive research material. I feel like the leadership of ICAP through this space has reflected how the world for chartered accountants is evolving and how spaces like these, such as a digital library, is very necessary to evolve them into the future thinkers of the finance world. One very thoughtful and future-fit addition to this entire members area is the Business Center, about which I'm personally very excited about, and with the same excitement, I would like to show you what it looks like. Business Center is to provide an agile co-working space for startups and entrepreneur members. Also, the concept with which agility is taking over world, it is very important to have spaces like these to ensure that members of ICAP are ready for future and have sustainable support from ICAP. Over here, we just not only have a co-working space, but there are sufficient laptops over here as well. So in case you are a starter and you do not have a laptop, then you even have laptops, all you need to do is step in and start converting that idea of yours into reality. And we have taken care of everything else. When you will visit this place, you will notice that the leadership of ICAP has been very thoughtful around this entire concept of enabling and empowering its members. For that, they have not only provided a co-working space, but they have also provided a dedicated meeting area. So let me show you what does the meeting area looks like. One thing to notice over here is that this room has a very professional and executive feel, making it a perfect choice for your business meetings. Not only that, it can accommodate as many as 10 people at a time, which I think is a very reasonable number for your day-to-day meetings. We also have multimedia facility over here to ensure that you have technologically supported meeting experience. While envisioning for future, how could the idea of physical fitness and health could be ignored? And for the same, the leadership of ICAP has put into action a gym. आइए देखते हैं gym. यहाँ पर हमारे पास लेटेस्ट मशीनरी और इक्विपमेंट मौजूद है. एक तरफ चेंजिंग एरिया की फैसिलिटी भी दी गई है. I think it's a perfect opportunity for you to keep your bodies fit and minds fresh. The next on line is this very lively and vibrant huddle area, which is again designed for members to connect, meet up, especially for mentorship sessions, because ICAP strongly believes in its mentorship agenda. Also, when you look around, you realize it is very well designed for mentorship sessions to be conducted. So if you're someone who is looking for a space to hold his mentorship sessions, then this place can be very comfortably used for that purpose. So this was a brief run through the entire members area. I hope you enjoyed it. We plan to keep it changing and evolving with the evolving needs of the members. Also, the leadership plans to replicate similar infrastructure across other cities of Pakistan as well. Before we sign out, I would like our members to have a brief snapshot from the team behind this entire renovation process. For that, Mr. Mohammad Kashif has joined us from the admin department. So Kashif साहब, प्लीज़ हमें बताएं कि ये किसका कॉन्सेप्ट था कि मेंबर्स के पास एक डेडिकेटेड एरिया होना चाहिए, और जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट सामने आया और आपकी टीम को इसको रियलिटी में तब्दील करना था, तो क्या चैलेंजेस थे जो आप लोगों ने फेस किए?
ये जब हमारे प्रेसिडेंट खलीलुल्लाह शेख साहब ने सदारत संभाली और उन्होंने हमसे कहा कि इस बारे में कि मेरा एक ये ख्वाब है कि मैं मेंबर्स के लिए एक अच्छी जगह, अच्छी उसके वो बनाना चाहता हूँ जिसमें मेंबर्स एरियाज़ हों, डिस्कशन रूम और मेंबर्स लाइब्रेरी हो, जो इंडिपेंडेंट मतलब हम उसको कर सकें, मेंबर्स अपने लॉगिन कर सकें, जा सकें, आ सकें, इजीली मूव कर सकें, और ये सब चीज़ें इसमें फैसिलिटीज़ होनी चाहिए. जिम भी होना चाहिए ताकि मेंबर्स आराम से वहाँ आके बैठ सकें, बातचीत कर सकें और ये अपनी एक्सरसाइज वगैरह भी कर सकें. लेकिन इसका शुरू होना था और लॉकडाउन का और कोरोना का शुरू होना था, वो दोनों एक साथ. अब कोरोना पूरी दुनिया में फैल गया, जिसकी वजह से हमें काफ़ी मुश्किलात का सामना करना पड़ा. और लेकिन फिर भी हमारे सेक्रेटरी साहब और हमारे खलीलुल्लाह शेख साहब, इन लोगों ने मिल के हम लोग काफ़ी सपोर्ट किया कि नहीं, इसको किसी भी तरह से पूरा करना है. और हमने काफ़ी सारी मुश्किलात का सामना किया, बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमारे सामने आई, लेकिन हम करते चले गए और आज आपके सामने हमारे पूरा मेंबर्स एरिया तैयार है. और हमारी उम्मीद से ज़्यादा और हमारे उससे ज़्यादा ये हमारे बड़े थे खलीलुल्लाह शेख साहब और हमारे सेक्रेटरी साहब, उनकी काफ़ी इसमें वो है जो उन्होंने साथ दिया और ये सब तैयार है.
बिल्कुल काशिफ साहब, ये आपकी और आपकी टीम की मेहनत ही थी जो आज हमारे सामने नजर आ रही है. We also have with us Kamran Ahmed from the admin department, who just by the way has worked day and night to bring this area for you. To be honest, I do not have sufficient words to applaud the resilience this team has shown, especially during the pandemic times. So Kamran, please tell us, since you were involved in the entire process right from the beginning when the idea was pitched in till the end when the project was delivered, take our members through the entire process behind developing this members area.
Thank you, Maria. Thank you very much for taking me on board. First of all, I would like to congratulate the leadership and management of ICAP on completion of this project, which is a dedicated area for members. And as you are aware, that ICAP leadership has always been value-driven and future-focused, and it was only because of their vision that this idea for having a creative co-working area emerged. We were well convinced that it is the need of the time to ensure that our members are ready for the future and to have sustainable support from ICAP always. And so when the leadership gave out this idea, our team was hugely excited to transform it into reality. And I think it was only our excitement and belief in the idea that we were able to deliver it in such a short span of time, and that too irrespective of the challenges we faced due to the pandemic of COVID-19. I think our team has been immensely robust in the times of the pandemic.
And we have seen that.
Yes, you were always there with us. You were always there to do the renovation work and all that. And I cannot forget the close supervision of the Secretary ICAP, Saeed Masood Akhtar, and the President ICAP, Khalilullah Sheikh, because that was a major factor that drove us and made us thrive through the difficult times. And at last, I would definitely say that it is always a good leadership behind the team which brings out the feat.
Right drive their people. Like Kamran and Kashif has repeatedly mentioned how significant of a role the close supervision has played of Masood Sahab, who is the Secretary of ICAP. Who better would be the person to give us a view of the entire thought process behind this entire concept of having a dedicated members area. So let's meet Ms. Masood Sahab. Assalamu alaikum Masood Sahab.
Wassalam.
First of all, thank you so much for joining us in. So Masood Sahab, take us back. When the idea was floated in, what exactly was in the minds of the council? What were they aiming for? What were they thinking to achieve?
So Maria, first of all, thank you for allowing me to express these views. The idea behind the council's vision was that members are our ambassadors. So our achievements of our members are in fact the achievements of ICAP. People know ICAP by what our members do. So keeping that in view, we understand that members are our foremost stakeholders, and we are there to facilitate them. Although we are there to regulate them also, but we need to facilitate them also. So with this idea, behind the whole this episode was to facilitate the members in doing whatever they are doing in their careers, and this is a sort of a facilitation in their endeavors. They can come over here and utilize these facilities whenever they feel like. For example, when they are not in the city where they live, and the city where their office is, so they can utilize these facilities. We did have these facilities before also. We did have a members lounge also. We did have a library also, and we did have a gym also. But now we have upgraded them, and we have given more. Yes, we have given more facilities, and we have brought them all together. Previously they were a bit scattered. Now we have brought them all together, and I believe that the members would now like when they will visit this.
And I think the idea of having an agile working area is amazing, and it's a great value creation for overseas members as well, because when they visit Pakistan now, they have a place where they can catch up, connect with their members in Pakistan, and they can have an agile area where they can actually work and connect back at office. So it's a great initiative, and thank you so much for joining us. Finally, I would like to thank the entire council, especially the President Khalilullah Sheikh Sahab, for providing this dedicated members area. With this, I would like to invite all the members to please come visit this area, because this has been developed purely for your facilitation and your well-being.